In today's news for July 21st, 1969, after a voyage of 500,000 miles and 8 days in space, the Apollo 11 crew returned to Earth today. During their historic journey, the crew of Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins re-established America's technological superiority over the Soviet Union. The Soviets were the first to send a satellite into space, but America was the first to get a man to the moon. While they were on the lunar surface, they collected 48 pounds of rock samples and lunar soil for NASA to study. The mission was the culmination of a challenge given by President John F. Kennedy in 1962 to land a man on the moon and return him safely home by the end of the decade. Today, his challenge was achieved. Apollo 11 was not only a triumph for America, but in Armstrong's words, for mankind. This is Robert Bork reporting with my producer, Wazzy Rennet, on the CA News Network.